Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're gonna talk about camera animation. I want this video to be so quick, so let's get started right away. I'm gonna show you how to animate that nice camera movements like Fern, LEMMINO, and so on. So let's get started right away because I wouldn't want to spend a lot of time just talking. I just want to show you how to do work, and I think that's why you are here. So let's get started. This is the easiest way that I think about whenever I want to animate some camera moves. So what we are going to do, we are going to start with adding in the empty. So you just press Shift A, and then you look for empty, which is here, and then we are going to use this plane axis. So you click on it, and it's here, as you can see. And this is the scene that I'm using. This is a night scene like this. Someone is on the phone, but it is too late in the midnight, but he's still using his phone. And now I'll do the lighting later, but I just want to show you the camera movement. So let's do that. All right, so this is the empty down here. We're gonna scale it up because it is too small. And then what you do, just put it where you want. Let's say I want to focus on this guy here. I want my camera to far around this guy. So what you do, you put the empty where you want the camera to focus, So the camera is gonna focus here. That's why I should put my plane. Now the next step is adding in the camera, because right now I do not have a camera to my scene. So just press Shift A again, and then look for a camera which is down here. Now we have the camera which is here, and we need to flame it into our object or our subject. So what we do is simple. You just press Ctrl Alt 0 on your keyboard. So you make sure the cursor is here, Ctrl Alt 0, and then boom, I have this nice camera here. And there's some settings that I enabled already. If I go to my camera, I have to make sure I select it. So make sure I select the camera. I'm looking for it somewhere here. I have these rings. That's why it's so hard to get to know it, to look for it where it is. But it is here. It is this one. I'm gonna need this one. So it is this camera here. Then we go to this data property here, view display, and what I did, I increased this pass part out all the way to 100 or to 1. So most of the time it's on 0.5. This is what you get. And I wouldn't want to see this background. I just want to focus on what I see from my camera view. That's why I've increased this one all the way to 1, to be able to see all what I see, what I have into my camera or my frame. So now this is the camera. We have the empty here. What we are going to do next, it is we're gonna parent this camera onto this empty here. So what we're gonna have is whenever I animate the camera, it will move around, but it will keep on focusing on the subject or on the empty, where the empty is. So remember, we have put the empty onto our subject. So what we get, that's camera movements, and the cameras keep on focusing onto our subject. So that's what we're gonna have. Now let's do that. So make sure the camera is selected. Go to this constraints here, and then I'm gonna remove it. So you go to constraints here, add the constraints, and then look for track to this one here. So you just click on it. Once you click on it, we have to assign the object or the target to our camera. So you can either use this eyedrop and then just drop it onto the empty, because this is our empty. Actually, you can first give it a name. Here you double click and give it a name, which is, I'm gonna call it target, like that. So it is called target. So if I select the camera back and I click here, I just scroll down all the way and look for target. So you see here, it will take a lot of time for you to look for what you want. Okay, it is here, but sometimes you might have a lot of elements, actually, like what I have right now. So I wouldn't want to go ahead and use this functionality here or function here. So what I do, I just use the eyedrop here. I just click on it, and then I click on my subject or my object. So remember, we named our empty target, and you can see it already shows that this is the target. So just click on it, and then we have this nice blue line going all the way from the camera to this up to here, which means everything is parented. So now it's one object. Whenever I move the camera, it is gonna keep on following the empty. So if you press 0 to go back into the camera view, and you make sure the camera is selected, you go to object properties here, and then I think I have animation. I'm going to do this animation. So, and then you move the camera like this. This is what you get. These are the locations you're gonna use to animate the camera, or the coordinates, which is here. So whenever I move any coordinate here, I'm gonna keep on focusing onto the subject. The camera will never move out of the focus when it comes to the subject, or the object you wanna shoot. So you can have these nice camera moves. Let's say I wanna move it from this side to this side. Simple. You just click on this white dot here to add a keyframe here, and then you move your player button where you want it, and then you move the camera the way you want, like this, and then you click again here to add another keyframe, which is here. So now if I play, I have this nice camera movement. But this is animation. It starts slowly, and then it heads slowly, moving it, settling into its last position. So this is not what we are looking for. I want linear animation. So what I do, I just press T here on the timeline, and then I select. These are the keyframe interpolations. We have a lot of them here, but we have the Bezier and the linear. I'm gonna click on the linear here, and if I play back, I get this nice linear animation here, like this. So now I'll delete this animation. It depends on the target, on what you are looking for. That's how you can. I can say I want this wider shot like this. Then I'll say let me use this one. I can even use all of this like this, and then I move the player forward. Then I start moving them to where I want them to be. Let's say like this. Then I'm gonna press T to linear animation, and I'm gonna play again. So we get this. If it is too fast, you just select one keyframe and move it forward like this, and then you play. You see, I can move it more. Let's say 150 frames. Alright, so that's basically how you animate. I'll delete this. And guys, I just wanted to let you know that I opened I opened Patreon here, where I'll be posting a lot of videos on almost each and every topic. This is going to be like a library where you can watch all of my videos. I'll be posting a lot of videos. If you take a look at this, the ultimate bundle, which is at $10 per month, I'll be posting 15 videos. And if you take a look at the easy bundle, I'll be posting 80 videos. So guys, this is going to be packed with a lot of information. I'll make sure I provide all the information as much as I can, because I know I can do this. That's why I wanted to create this Patreon, so that guys, you can come and access a lot of information here, and you'll be able to do whatever you are looking for, because I'm here for you guys. So I'll put the link in the comment section so that you can come here, you check it out, and then have something here. Yeah, so back to the video. I think I've showed you guys the best of animating the cameras. So just know you just have to get the camera, you put the empty where you want the camera to focus, and then you put them together, like you pair the camera to the object, which is the empty, and once that is done, You just go back into your camera, and then you come to the object properties here. Then you'll be able to animate your camera the way you want to. Just play around with this. With this, you can have any type of animation you are looking for. You just need to know how to play around with this. You'll be able to get a lot of, like, any type of camera movement you are looking for. Everything is here. So let's say I want a movement from here going to this side. So just click on it, and then we move the camera forward like this, and then we click again. So if I play, after animation I press T to linearize the animation, then I move it forward. So that's it, guys. That's how you animate. And I'm gonna upload this one on my Patreon on how I did the lighting for this character here, which is at night and the guy is on his phone. I'm gonna upload that video today on how I did the lighting, and more videos are coming on my Patreon. So please, guys, make sure you go ahead and check out my Patreon, because I'm gonna be posting a lot of nice videos there. So thank you so much for your time, and see you in the next one. Bye.